Hi there! Welcome to our video series on how to use Publitas platform. I'm Agnieszka from the Customer Success team, and today we will review the publication reader. If you're wondering how to customize your catalogs with branded elements, unique hotspot icons, proper currency and language settings, you'll learn all of that in this video, so your publications truly represent your brand. Once in the platform, to change the reader's language and currency, go to Publication Reader and navigate to Display and Formatting section. Choose the right language from the drop-down menu, together with the desired currency. To apply the changes, press Save and Update Reader. Let's go to the preview to review how the changes look in our catalog. When you open the hotspot, you can see that the right currency is now applied, together with the right language. All current and future publications in this group will get these settings automatically. It is now time to style our viewer. From Publication Reader, go to Colors and Branding. Click the Select Color button to adjust the color of hotspot hover text. You can choose the color from the palette or paste the hex code. Follow the same steps to adjust the text and colors for call to action buttons and background color. For further branding, you can also add a logo and a favicon by uploading files from your device. We recommend adding a favicon if you lead your customers directly to the viewer, so to a standalone publication. It will replace the default P that you can see here. To apply the new settings, always remember to click the Save and Update Reader button. Let's quickly review how the viewer looks after our changes. We have our new colors applied together with the text color. These settings are applied to the group's current and future publications. If you ever want to remove a customization, click the trash icon and Save and Update Reader button. Now let's find out how to add custom hotspot icons to match your branding even further. Once in the Publication Reader, navigate to Hotspot section. Here you can upload a personalized icon for every hotspot type and adjust their default hover text. We will work on our product hotspot. All the other hotspots follow the same logic for style setup. Now to add a custom icon, select the file from your device. It should be the recommended size that you can see here. We recommend to add both high definition and regular versions. While in this section, you can also adjust the hover text. Let's make some changes now and see how they look in the reader. Always remember to save the changes. We have our new icon applied, and when you click the hotspot, you can see that the call to actions are changed accordingly. All set. There you have it. In just a few steps, we styled and branded our catalog reader. I encourage you to explore Publication Reader further, see what other personalizations you can make. Any relevant materials from the knowledge base are linked down below. I also highly encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.